Next, continuation of online class. We have to continue second year maths, and then subject is mathematical statistics 1, binomial distribution. Definition: a random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution if it assumes a random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability mass function is given by p of x is equal to ncx p power x into q power n minus x. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n 0 otherwise. The two independent constants n and p in the distribution are known as parameters of the distribution. Next, example 1. For a binomial distribution, the mean is 3 and variance is 2. Find the value of n and p. Solution: np equal to mean value is 3, so np equal to 3. Next, npq equal to 2, variance value is npq, so npq equal to 2, mean value is np, variance value is npq, so np equal to 3 and npq equal to 2. So npq dividing by np equal to 2 by 3. np cancel, so q equal to 2 by 3. P equal to formula is 1 minus q is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to, cross multiplying 1 3s are 3, so 3 minus 2 is value is 1, so 1 by 3. Therefore p equal to 1 by 3, q value is 2 by 3, so np equal to 3. Substituting p value, and then we get n into 1 by 3 is equal to 3, cross multiplying n equal to 9. Next, example 2. Is the following statement true? Give reason for your answer. Mean of the binomial distribution is 3 and its standard deviation is 2. Solution: the value of q exceed 1, therefore the total probability is 1. The given statement is false, so np equal to 3, npq equal to 4. np means mean value, npq means standard deviation value. Variance value is 2. Standard deviation means variance square value is standard deviation value, so npq equal to 4. So npq dividing by np is equal to 4 by 3. np cancel, so q equal to 4 by 3. So p equal to 1 minus q equal to 1 minus 4 by 3 is equal to, cross multiplying 1 3s are 3, 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 3. Therefore p equal to minus 1 by 3. So np equal to 3. So n into p value is minus 1 by 3. Substituting we get is equal to 3. So cross multiplying we get n equal to minus 9. So next example 3. Find the probability that in a family of 4 children, number 1 at least 1 boy, number 2 at least 1 boy and 1 girl, assumed that the probability of male birth is 1 by 2. Solution: n equal to 4, p equal to 1 by 2, q value is 1 by 2. First one, probability of x is greater than or equal to 1 is equal to formula is 1 minus p of x is less than 1. P of x is less than 1 means x is equal to 0. So 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. 1 minus ncx p power x q power n minus x formula is using, we get, so 4c is 0, 1 by 2 power 0, 1 by 2 power 4. So 1 minus 1 by 16 is equal to cross multiplying 16 minus 1, 15 by 16. Therefore, p of x is greater than or equal to 1 equal to 15 by 16. So, B means boys, G means girls. Boys value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Girls value is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, second one, probability of at least 1 boy and 1 girl. So, is equal to probability of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3. So, ncx p power x q power n minus x formula is using, we get is equal to 4c1 1 by 2 power 1 1 by 2 power 4 minus 1 plus 4c2 1 by 2 power whole square 1 by 2 power 4 minus 2 plus 4c3 1 by 2 power 3 1 by 2 power 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power 4 4c1 plus 4c2 plus 4c3 is equal to 1 by 16. 4 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 14 dividing by 16. Next example 4. 8 coins are tossed 256 times. Find the expected frequency of success getting head. The results obtained, calculate mean and standard deviation. Solution: x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. EI values are n is equal to n into ncx p power x q power n minus x. So first value is 256 into 8c 0, 1 by 2 power 0, 1 by 2 power 8 minus 0 is equal to 1. 256 into 8c1, 1 by 2 power 1, 1 by 2 power 8 minus 1 is equal to 8. Next 256 into 8c2, 1 by 2 power 2 into 1 by 2 power 8 minus 2 equal to 28. 256 into 8c3, 1 by 2 power 3, 1 by 2 power 8 minus 3 equal to 56. So 256 into 8c4 into 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 8 minus 4 equal to 70. Next 256 into 8c5 into 1 by 2 power 5, 1 by 2 power 8 minus 5 is equal to 56. Next 256 into 8c6, 1 by 2 power 6 into 1 by 2 power 8 minus 6 equal to 28. Next 256 into 8c7 into 1 by 2 power 7 into 1 by 2 power 8 minus 7 is equal to 8. Next 256 into 8c8 into 1 by 2 power 8 into 1 by 2 power 8 minus 8 equal to 1. Adding the total value 256. N value is 8, P equal to 1 by 2, Q equal to 1 by 2, caps N is equal to 256. So means equal to NP equal to N value is 8 into P value is 1 by 2. Cancelling we get 4. Means equal to 4. Standard deviation equal to root of NPQ equal to root of 8 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Standard deviation is equal to root of 8 into 1 by 4. Standard deviation equal to root 2. Next moment generating function of binomial distribution. Mx of t equal to e into e power tx is equal to summation x varies from 0 to n e power tx into p of x is equal to summation x varies from 0 to n e power tx into ncx p power x into q power n minus x is equal to summation x varies from 0 to n ncx p e power t into whole power x into q power n minus x is equal to q plus p e t power whole power n. Therefore mx of t equal to q plus p e power t whole power n. Thank you, students.